Okay, so getting started with our third data analysis bootcamp, held week 1. And I really think of these classes like a toolkit. Even if you don't remember everything in this class, it's really about having this information available. Keep it somewhere nice and organized in your drive, on the cloud, so you can access this from anywhere. ChatGPT is really fast, but if you have it in your notes and you know exactly where to go, how to find things, it is truly a lot faster. So that's what this is supposed to be, a toolkit class, like a really hell week going through everything and anything in pandas. And so then when you find some situation to use these, you don't need to think hard about how to do it. You have the information saved in your kind of second brain, a very organized place for your Python knowledge, your data science knowledge. And that's it's very common. You can't be expected to remember all these stuff. Let your fingers remember it by typing it out many, many times, and you will eventually remember it a lot faster than your stupid human brain will remember it. So let your fingers remember it. Keep this knowledge somewhere safe, and if you don't remember everything, that's okay, because you can come back to this data set, this class, and all of the classes that are like the hell weeks, or this immense amount of just knowledge going through all of these plotting functions. So getting into our first one, the area plot. And this is a handy plot. This is more of a specialized plot. I'd say the situations where you want to use this is most commonly used in a time series data set, and really when you want to show how variables are moving together. So we can do a couple of cool things. We can stack things on top of each other, or we can, not stack things. And so we can, I think in that situation, you get a really good sense of how they truly move together, right? Starting at 0 and how are they moving up and down together. You can see here the red, the blue, and the yellow, they all tend to move together, but then this one seems to go in an opposite direction. And that is not truly something that you would have noticed in a lot of other situations. You really get that kind of flow, how things are really like the traffic here, how things are moving together, and if they're not, if they're diverging or going together. So it's, again, it's more of a specific situation. That is, lots of the pandas plots are very specific in the situations where you want to. There's some very high level plots and some very kind of common plots, but they're really these situations where you use them in specific situations. This is a really good plot. Again, when the situation calls for it.